Welcome to Tools Met. Today we're reviewing a CNC machine that has quickly become one of the most talked about tools on Amazon for woodworking, engraving, and small workshop production. From the moment you see it, the build quality stands out. The solid metal frame is designed to reduce vibration, which plays a huge role in achieving smooth, accurate cuts. This stability makes it ideal for working with wood, acrylic, plastic, and even soft metals, delivering clean and professional-looking results every time. When it comes to performance, this CNC machine does not disappoint. The precision stepper motors provide smooth and reliable movement, allowing the machine to handle detailed engravings and complex carving projects with ease. The spindle delivers consistent power during long working sessions, and the adjustable speed control gives you the flexibility to match the cutting speed to different materials. Whether you're engraving fine details or carving deeper cuts, the machine maintains accuracy from start to finish. Another major advantage is how user-friendly the CNC machine is. The setup process is simple, and the instructions are clear enough for beginners to follow without frustration. It supports popular CNC software such as GRBL, Candle, and Lightburn, which means you can start working right away without needing advanced technical knowledge. This makes it a great choice not only for hobbyists, but also for small business owners looking to expand their production capabilities. In terms of value, this CNC machine offers a lot for its price. Key benefits include a sturdy and durable frame, impressive cutting accuracy, wide software compatibility, and beginner-friendly operation. However, it's worth noting that the working area may be limited for larger projects, and if you plan to cut harder metals, upgrading the spindle would be a smart move. This is Tools Met. Thanks for watching.